All right, so we're going to install R in RStudio. We'll look up cran R in the current version, cran.rproject.org. And the current version is R.304, but we're going to click on Download R for Windows here, install R for the first time, and then download R 4.03. All right, now we're going to install it. Yes. Okay. Next. We're going to keep everything as is, except defaults. Next. You can choose if you want to add these shortcuts. I won't because I'll be using RStudio. Finish. Now we're going to install RStudio. Download. Products, RStudio. RStudio Desktop. Next. Just going to click through again. Okay. Now for Windows users, we need something called RTools as well. So we Google RTools, we click on RTools, and then we're going to use the whatever version of Windows you're running, but typically it's going to be 64-bit these days. Now there's an additional step. We'll let this download. But what we're going to do is we're going to copy paste this line right here. Copy. And what's happening is that there is a file called the .r environ file. It's created so that we can have variables inside of our session without necessarily writing those variables out every time we load in our project. So this is going to take the variable RTools home and just pop it into the .r environ file. So once this is downloaded, we're going to install it, and then we'll open up RStudio, and then we'll paste this right here. And again, we're just going to accept all of the defaults. Next, next, install, X, X. And what we can do now is we can open up RStudio. We're going to take, you can say yes. Now I've already copied that. Oh, looks like I'm going to need to go back and get it. Copy. Paste. Boom. We should be good. Okay. Now we'll need this to actually complete first. Okay, cool. Now we should be good to go. We can restart our session. And then let's, oh, sure, again. So let's click on File, New Project. We're not going to save anything here. New directory. We'll say our package, and then we'll just call this test, and we'll create the project. And if you hit build, it actually says that RTools isn't installed. What we need to do now is restart our computer. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now.